Hi, I'm Kim Kiyosaki, and I am the Queen of Cash Flow. And I have a special message I'd like to put out to all the cash flow clubs all over the world. And it's because of this corona craziness that has been going on in every single country throughout the globe. We've heard from a lot of clubs, a lot of cash flow clubs, who even though they were quarantined at their homes, they were still figuring out ways that they could come together digitally, online, virtually, and play the game as a cash flow club. It's been very, very, very exciting. So I trust that this coronavirus craziness hasn't stopped you from playing the game, but I just wanted to share a few examples of what some people are doing. So there's two really wonderful things that we've seen happening personally. And one is that via Zoom or whatever platform they use, the clubs are coming together, the members, the cash flow club leader, the cash flow club facilitator, let's say it's on Zoom, and the facilitator has the game, they have a camera, and they're rolling the dice and picking the cards, and the participants are making the moves, making the decisions, and it's all very, very interactive and it's very fun. And they also have an opportunity to talk with one another and to ask questions because of the interaction. So they've never slowed down. They're still playing the game. Many are playing once a week, and they've actually found in some cases it's actually brought more people together because it's a little bit more accessible, because you don't have to get in your car and drive somewhere. You can just do it out of your own home. So actually what's happening is more and more people seem to be playing the game because it's easier to do it through a Zoom platform or other platform. So that's one thing that's happening. Another thing that's happening that's very exciting is that the cash flow clubs are coming together, and because a lot of the cash flow club members and facilitators, leaders are entrepreneurs, we're all facing this situation together. And we're all coping with it a little differently. So these clubs are coming together, members are coming together, and they're having very dynamic discussions about what are you doing? What are you doing in your business? Is this benefiting you? How are you overcoming these obstacles? And as a matter of fact, Robert, myself, and our whole Rich Dad Advisor team, since this coronavirus has started, or back in March, we get together on a Zoom call once a week, and we talk about our businesses, and we talk about what each other is doing, and we talk about the problems that we're facing, and we're talking about how this has benefited us in ways. It's very, very, very exciting, very creative, very original, and because, again, it goes back to, we learn as a team. And the cash flow clubs are learning as a team. Robert, myself, the advisors, we're learning as a team as we move forward in this. Because as we know, many minds are much better than one mind. And when you have a group of people like-minded who are facing similar obstacles, similar situations, you want to learn what everybody's doing and support each other in growing their business and growing wherever they're at personally. So actually, out of this whole coronavirus, there's a lot of great things are coming out of it. We trust that you and your family are doing well, financially, economically, health-wise, and that we all come out of this stronger and better. So thank you very much. If you like these videos, please click on the subscribe button or hit the notification bell so you'll have access to more videos of keys to the cash flow game. And start playing cash flow in real life.